guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm glad that you're here. So come along with me as I prep grab and go breakfast sandwiches for my family. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. So my kids like a variety of sandwiches, so I'm just going to make a bunch of them, and yeah, so let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead on and preheat my oven so that I can get those biscuits going. And these are the pans that I will be using for my eggs, sausage, and bacon. I'm gonna go ahead on and get those biscuits spread out. I was gonna use both packages of those, but as I got them laying them out, I'm like, yeah, I think I'm only gonna do about 30, so I'll use the rest of those for a later time. So I got those spread out, and by now my oven has go ahead on and ready for the biscuits to get put in, so I put those in, went ahead on and got my air fryer preheated and going, and added in those chicken patties when it was ready. And then I went ahead on and put in my other air fryer the steak and biscuits, the steak patties for the steak and biscuits, and got them going. So, and put those on like 10 minutes. And so I'm going to be using this garlic butter for my eggs. We do fried eggs, so I'm just going to put this in, let it melt, and then crack those eggs in there. And lay out my turkey bacon on my pan while I get those going. And so yeah, so you'll just watch me as I go along cooking these. Yeah, so I know you don't want to sit and listen to me talk, so I'll go ahead on and play some music while my items cook, and then we'll get those sandwiches assembled. All of my food is done. As you see, I have all my biscuits done. And off camera, I went ahead on and toasted 3 English muffins, because my daughter do like English muffins, but she don't eat them a lot. So I only did 3. So I'm gonna go ahead on and position the camera, and bear with me because it's my first video, so this is new, so that you guys can watch me assemble these sandwiches. And I'm gonna go ahead on and get my wax paper ready because I didn't have that ready. So now I'm just cutting those open and just assembling the sandwiches. And I do it in a variety. There's no perfect order on which way I do those, but I do wrap them in wax paper, and I tape the bottom. You don't have to, but I do put masking tape on the bottom and write what it is on the top, because so that they don't have to rumble through the breakfast sandwiches bags to see which is which. I just go ahead on and label those for them, and I do use a Sharpie. The Sharpie that I keep in the kitchen for when I'm doing anything and need to write anything as far as like meal prep. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead on and assemble those. And like I said, there's no perfect order on which I assemble those. I just grab whatever my hands grab and get those wrapped and assembled. So yeah, so I'll let you watch as I get those assembled. And one part of this video, the camera do fall, and you'll also see that. So yeah, let's just watch as I continue to assemble those sandwiches. the sandwiches are all done, I'll get those bagged up. I usually put them in the freezer for the kids to grab them as they go along on the days that I do not cook breakfast. So this will typically last maybe about 2-3 weeks because they will eat them randomly. So yeah, they're all backed up, and they'll just grab and go throughout the week if they're on the run. So I have the kitchen all clean and it's ready to go. If you like more content like this, please comment and let me know. And also comment and let me know what you would have done different. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.